subscribe! We told him there's oil in space so he would fund the mission. Worked like a charm. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wait.
Hello, Astrodude!
What is going on? He's our friend now, right?
You must be Astrodude.
Hey, get away! Get away!
Hello, Astrodude. Astrodude lives! Wait!
He can do that? Whoa!
Computer, what are you... Oh, what the heck is that? You know me, I'm... Monster! It's one of the monsters! It was absolute chaos! The universe was in a constant state of chaos! And he's coming because of you!
Who's coming?
Oh! Hi, Laika!
The Planet Destroyer!
Crash against you and be done with it.
It's me! Ouch! Oh, I promise I'm... Whoa! Oh my gosh, thank you! Hey, what are you... No, stop!
Aw, he's so happy to be alive.
We're happy too, Astrodude!
You love me, Astrodude?
What? Computer? Computer!
Everyone loses their minds!
Astrodude!
What? What is it? Sir, before you go... What in the world is going on?